Today isn't just another day in the classroom.
At Delavan-Darien School District, learning doesn't always happen behind the desk.
Today, our FFA and agriculture students are experiencing something truly unforgettable, the birth of a live pig.
This is real-world, hands-on learning in action. From animal science to biology, from patients to care.
You read this in books, but seeing it happen is completely different.
This is hands-on learning at its finest.
Watching science happen in real time is wild.
This incredible experience was made possible through a collaborative partnership with a local business who generally donated to the Ag Department. Because of this partnership, students gain authentic, career-connected experiences, learning not just what happens and why it matters, but how these moments help to shape future veterinarians, farmers, animal scientists, and industry leaders.
Caring for animals shows me what accountability looks like in a career and makes me excited for a future in agriculture.
This is something we will remember forever.
This is education beyond the classroom. This is hands-on learning, and this is the power of community partnerships.